Hey everyone, are you looking for a way to lose weight? Recent health statistics show that many adults are either overweight or obese. One of the main reasons for the spike in weight problems is unhealthy diet that is high in calories but low in nutrition. Food has now become more about convenience and less about nutrition. Most people think that they would need to consult a dietitian and follow a restricted diet to lose weight. But this is far from the truth. There are several small dietary changes that you can make to create a nutrition plan that helps you reach your ideal body weight. We are going to discuss 5 of such simple and scientifically proven ways. Let's get it on. Number 1. Creating a healthy nutrition plan for weight loss. Macronutrients are the foundation of any healthy nutrition plan. The acceptable macronutrient distribution ranges are 45 to 65% calories from carbs, 20 to 35% from fats, and 10 to 35% from proteins. Tweaking this macronutrient ratio will help you create a healthy nutrition plan for weight loss. Number 2. Reduce your carbohydrate intake. There's no denying that our daily carb intake is through the roof. Current research suggests that low carbohydrate diet will not only help achieve weight loss but may also have a beneficial effect on triglyceride levels and high density lipoprotein cholesterol. When cutting back on carbohydrates, get rid of unhealthy refined carbohydrates such as refined grains, bakery products, and sugar-laden foods. Instead, your diet should contain small servings of healthy carbohydrate foods such as fruits and vegetables. Number 3. Increase your protein intake. A recent study compared the results of a high protein diet with a low protein diet for weight loss. Although both diet plans had the same number of total calories, the test participants who followed a high protein diet lost more fat and gained more muscle as compared to the participants who followed a low protein diet. High protein diets helps to increase the secretion of satiety hormones while simultaneously improving blood sugar levels. There are several ways to add proteins to your diet. You can start adding whey protein powder to your morning milkshake or simply snack out nuts throughout the day. Number 4. Don't avoid all fats. Cutting all fats out of your diet hurt your overall health and energy levels. Doing that will reduce your intake of vitamins A, D, E, and K as they are fat-soluble vitamins. According to health experts, unsaturated fats such as olive oil is good for us and as they can help reduce the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, the fat found in butter, lard, and fatty cuts of beef and pork contain saturated fats that are unhealthy and can increase your risk of weight gain. And finally, number 5, get more fiber. Fiber does not contain any of the nutrients we require. Despite that, it plays an important role in diet and weight management. The human body cannot digest fiber. It is left intact as it moves through the gastrointestinal tract. A study on the effects of fiber on weight loss found that consuming an additional 14 grams of fiber for more than 2 days resulted in 10% decrease in calorie intake. It also resulted in weight loss of over 4 pounds in 4 months. A healthy nutrition plan for weight loss will help you reach a healthy body weight. Unfortunately, it is not easy to stick to a healthy diet plan, which is why you should also work on building resilience. Improving your resilience increases weight loss and decreases the chance of you falling off the weight loss wagon. There are also several exercises to burn fat that will help you lose weight faster and reach your ideal body weight. Make small gradual changes to your diet and lifestyle. This gives you the chance to adjust to the lifestyle. Follow a healthy diet and regular exercise plan even after you lose weight to maintain a healthy body weight. So what are your thoughts about this? Comment your thoughts below in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to the channel as it helps a lot.